Now I will show you how to change the border settings in Nebula. So let me just add a rectangle to my Nebula. Just gonna make it a little bit bigger. So by default, the border looks like this. But then if I want to change it, I can right click and I have these three settings concerning the border. I have the border radius, border thickness, and border color. Let's start with border radius. So at the moment, my corners are not rounded at all. But if I change this to, let's say, 40, you can see that the corners are now visually rounded and equal on all four corners. Then I can change the border thickness. So right now, as I said, it's at 1. Let's say I put it at 10. So you can see that it, got considerably thicker. And I can also change the color. So I will say border color, and I'm going to change it from black to, let's say, dark green. So now I have rounded corners and my border is thick and green. Now there's also some settings, or all of the settings that we have in our default settings of the individual elements. If you go to your visualization pane and format your visual, you can set that here. For example, for rectangle, it's in the rectangle dropdown. I can say I want my border radius to be 20, let's say. I want my border thickness to be 5, and the border color, let's say I want it purple. And now when I say add a rectangle to the page, that's exactly what I'm getting. So I'm getting the slightly rounded border that is purple and a bit thick, so 5 pixels thick.